Hey yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome to today's vlog. This is You All Vlogs here back on your screen, and today we're gonna show you guys how to put a plug on a tire. It's a quick fix. So here we go. So the first thing to do is obviously buy the actual kit. I bought this at Walmart. They have different ones. It's running for like about $10 or so. It's a little case, that way you carry it in your car, hard case, and you won't lose it. But yeah, that's step one. Obviously, you know, get that repair kit, and then second step is remove the tire. As you guys can see, it's right here. I removed it already. Right there, you know, ready to go, secure. And then we have to look for the actual piece, the actual nail. We look for the nail, and it looks, I had already fixed this tire a while back that it also had a nail. I didn't want to buy a new one. I was kind of short on money, you know, so I did the same thing. I put a plug in it, and I've been using it like that for like about 2 years, working perfectly fine. So the truck was marking, you know, low pressure on the tire. It was the left rear one, and you know, I checked it out, and it turns out it does have a nail, and it's a pretty big one. So we're gonna just fix it real quick. I'll show you guys here in a second where the nail is at and how it looks like. So I wonder if it is an actual nail or is it just a piece of metal. We'll find out. Alright guys, so I'm back with some pliers and a flat screwdriver. We'll try it out.
Action. Take one. Oh no, take one, action. Oh shoot, there's a nail.
Alright, so this is where the issue is at. I don't know if it's an actual nail that it was bent in half, the actual, like the top, the head, or it's actual it's actual like piece of steel or something. So we're gonna remove this. We're gonna stick this thing right here and just go up and down. This is pretty much to clean it and make sure nothing else is in the actual hole, and we'll leave it in there. So let's do that. I'm kind of having trouble, so let's see if I put it with this. There it is. See, it's not a nail. It's an actual little piece of aluminum or steel.
Oh my god, if this, it's not the videographer, you guys, moving around.
Oh.
It is a nail.
No.
Yeah.
This thing's big. Look. Oh. The struggle. Alright, so after the struggle, come here, come closer. We finally put it in here, up and down, to clean the actual hole. And you have this one like this. Pull this one out, stick this one in here, Finally got it in there. And then we just gotta pull it out quick. Let's see if it doesn't come out.
Can you catch me?
Fail. Fail if it does. Okay, there it is.
And now we won't know if the air's still coming out because there's no more.
No more air.
So how are we gonna drive to the gas station?
Pero no tiene compresor aquí, ¿eh?
I don't know, we'd have to check.
No bubbles. No bubbles. That's good news for now. I'm tired. Alright, so it looks like it's already done. I'm hoping it works after the fucking struggle and all that. But let me show you guys why we struggle too. Usually it's easier. Like I said, I did it before and it was just, you know, you pull it out, stick the plug in and just yank it out. But this time it was all this. And it was bent, it was crooked. But we got it in there. We put air and we're hoping it works. So we just take it for a cruise, let the system recognize the actual PSI on the tire, and it'll read it, and let's hope tomorrow is still the same, you know? But yeah, it's a easy, quick, you know, fix when you don't have something like this on your tire. You know, if it was just straight, easy, in and out.
Where'd you buy it? At Walmart?
Yeah.
How much was it?
$10.
Just don't keep it in your car because these gooey things,
They
melt.
do melt.
I know it's for your car and technically you should, but they melt, and once they melt, it's
High
so
temperatures,
hard.
they turn into like
They smash
slime,
together.
like glue, like they
Like-
stick together.
Yeah.
This is pretty much like gummy,
should
gooey
say
asphalt.
here. No?
But
Well, that
you
was...
leave it in your car, it's a wrap. So don't leave it in your car.
Oh, it doesn't say what it is. It says easily stores in your trunk or glove box, but it doesn't say that it will melt.
So it does. So don't keep it.
Take it when you're going like on a trip in case anything happens, but
If it's too hot, it'll melt.
especially if you live in California.
What are you doing, best friend in the worlds?
Hey, Tony.
I'm fixing your truck, buddy.
I'm not going to
It's gonna go faster, yeah, like the Fast and the Furious.
Like McQueen.
McQueen. No, you don't want it to go fast?
No.
Why, best friend? Because you get scared?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Tell them you have to go slow
Come on, go slow.
so you can be safe.
Let me safe.
Oh man. Safety first, huh?
Yeah.
Always.
Go. I'm gonna go with mommy.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna go so
Yeah, we go slow because you're little?
Yeah.
Okay.
Papa.
Okay, pa.
Mommy,
It's alright. I broke my back.
Old
My
man.
back is broken.
Spinal?
Alright guys, so this is what it was showing before and 19.
I think once you drive it, no?
So we gotta drive and we'll level out. Gotta be green. And let's hope that tomorrow is still good. Alright guys, so we went to the gas station. We put more air. And this is a tire pressure now. It was the left rear one. It's at 35. So let's hope it still stays like that by tomorrow.